Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make any payment with crypto, as basically most of the site now accept crypto payment, and you guys are scared that you don't want to lose your money, you don't know how the networks works and all that. So I will be using a site as an example. So you guys should, and the site is also where I actually get my IP. So it's just a method also, as I'm teaching you guys how to subscribe in the site for those of you guys who want to use this site to get their IP also. So first of all, let's dive in. And alright, so it's back. So I think I will be going with the $2 subscription for now. Yeah, $2. And if I come here, there's a lot of payment method actually. So as I said, we'll be going with the crypto, because that's what today. All right, so they say the tax is 0.3 dollars, which is a percent. So I will be paying $2.3 to. All right, so the token, I'll be going with USDT data. So wait, and here we are going with, here is actually where the issues come from for some of you guys who are confused. Anytime each USDT currency, I think, has a network which they are under. So this USDT, as you can see, all these are networks. So I have to select the network I'm sending, which is when I want to send the money. When I want to send the coin, I had to select the actual network I selected here and the actual amount to avoid any error. Because this 2.3 actually, if I deposit $2 exactly, that means this transaction has gone wrong and my balance won't be topped up. So we are going with the 20, and this optional. So are we so I've copied it. Let me go and make the transfer, and we come back and continue. All right, so the transaction has been made first. So let's refresh it. You can go back, and if you let me check there. Right, so as you can see, the payment has been successful. If I come to, welcome to my plans, and go down, scroll down. You can see it here, completed, and I can download the. Okay, you can see the invoice here. So it has been paid, and this is the amount actually, 2.3. So that's just it. All platforms that accept crypto, they did similar things. So everything is similar. You just have to know the actual networks, and you have to take note of the charges actually, because the gas fee, you have to input you have to minus the actual amount to be received minus the charges, so you don't plus everything together, and at last the money get to be small. And yeah, that's just it. So, and as you can see now, I can use my proxy as usual. So this is just it, and I can start using this proxy again, and started opening Talkathon account and test now.